Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 24th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese they call it Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these are puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Otherwise it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. First one I will start is a 3 stars Sudoku number 5530. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Alright. And it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. 4 threes, 5 threes, alright. 2 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 1 7, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the threes are a majority. Question is, can I start with a 3? We have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there, here or there. We see a 9 in the 3rd column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 5. Okay. 5 5. Oh, we have 4 ones. Overlooked. So the 3s and the 1s are a majority. Okay. 1 1 1 1 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the 1st column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this 3rd column, 1 in the 1st column. So the column between the 2nd column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. 1 cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about 8 8? 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the 1st column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. And we have a pair, the 5 and 8 in this row, the 5 and 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 5 and 8, 5 and the 8. Alright. Then. 9 should be here. 6 and the 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this middle row, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. We have also a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So the 9, the 2, 9, 2, 3 missing numbers. Oh, no. 9, 2, and the 7. I need the 7 here. Alright. 6, 6. 6. 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. Here we have 5 and 8, 6 and a 1. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those. We have a pair again. Yeah. 9. Alright. 4, 5, 8. Come on. Here we have a 7. 7, 9, and 4. Need a 4. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 9 here. Now we have a 9 there in the middle row. So this box gave me 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 7. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 4. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So that means 1 digit left in this row for number 1. No. Here we have a 1, the 2, the 3, 4. 4 is missing. Alright. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 5. 5, 3, 8. 5, 3, 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8. It goes there. Alright. Okay. So 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 159, 159, 159. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in the second row. So no 9 there. Well, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. Okay, 2, 4, 3 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then we have all the 5s. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Oh, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright, here we have also 5 and 8. How about the 3 in this row? The 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. 4, 4, 4. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those 4 and a 7. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. 1, oh no, 2 numbers left in this column. The 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 4. One box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. We have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 5 and 8, we have a 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 in this column, so this box can be 5 and 1. That box should be a 5. One box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 and the 1. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. Is this video 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.